Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 3. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, and here you can click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions and click here to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.